So, what are you going to do this summer?
Nothing. I'm going to visit my grandparents. We're going to go camping.
That sounds fun. Where are you going?
We're going to stay at a campground near their house.
Oh? Are you going to stay in a cabin?
No, we're going to camp by the lake. It's really beautiful there.
Well, I hope you have a nice trip.
Thanks. It's going to be a lot of fun. What are you going to do tonight?
I'm just going to stay home. What about you?
I'm going to the movies with Karen.
Oh? What are you going to see?
We're going to see the new Marvel movie. Do you want to come?
No, I'll pass. But thanks for asking.
Are you sure? It's going to be fun.
No, thanks. I'm just going to take it easy tonight.
Okay, maybe next time.
Where will you go for the summer break?
I will go to the beach with my family.
That sounds fun. How long will you be there?
We won't stay long, maybe 2 or 3 days.
Nice. Where will you stay?
We will stay at the new hotel. It just opened.
Nice choice. I hear it's really beautiful.
We're going to a barbecue tonight. Care to join us?
Oh, I love barbecue. What are you going to cook?
We're going to grill either chicken or steak.
That sounds delicious. I'd love to go. When should I come over?
We're not going to start until 7, so around then.
Great. Should I bring anything?
David is going to bring salad. So maybe you can bring dessert.
Great. How many people are coming?
There's going to be about 10 people.
Okay. I'll bring some ice cream.
Perfect. Everyone will love that.
Where are you going for vacation?
I'm going to Hawaii.
Lucky you. When are you going?
Next week, on the 5th.
How long are you going to be there?
About a week. 8 days.
Where are you going to stay?
We're going to stay at a resort on the beach.
Are you going to take your kids?
No, I'm just going with my husband. My kids are going to stay with their grandparents.
Well, have a nice trip.
Thanks. I'm excited about it.
How is your French class?
Good, but it will finish next week.
Oh, will you take the next course?
No, I can't. I won't have time.
I'm surprised to hear that. You love that class.
I do, but I will start a new job next week. The class and my job will be at the same time.
That's too bad.
It's okay. I will still study on my own.
That's the spirit. The company picnic is the 18th. Will you be there?
Yes, I think I'll go. What time does it start?
It will begin at 12 and will go until 5.
Okay, I'll try to make it. Will your wife be there?
No, she won't be there this year. She has to work.
Oh, that's too bad. My husband won't come either. He's out of town.
So, will you come alone?
No, I will bring my kids. They love the free food.
My kids, too. I am sure they will eat a lot.
Mine too.
When's our next soccer game?
It's next Tuesday.
Who will we play?
We will play Mary's team, the Lions.
Great. Will everyone be there?
Matt won't be there, but everyone else will.
Oh, that's too bad. Well, we'll miss him. Where will we play?
We'll play at the new soccer field by City Cafe.
Oh, I love that field. We always win there.
We'll see. Don't get too confident.
Don't worry, I won't.
We'll also go out for pizza after the game.
That sounds fun.
It should be. Especially if we win.